Hi everybody and welcome to Take a Review. Today we're going to unbox and take a quick look at D-Link's 4G LTE router. Now the idea behind this is to be able to share your 4G mobile internet wherever you are, even creating a small local area network. So without further ado, let's get this unboxed and take a look. So let's have a quick look around the box. So got a little bit of information on the front. It says you can share your 4G LTE mobile internet wherever you are, create personal hotspots, fail-safe internet connection for modem and fixed broadband support. So this is the 4G LTE N300. On the side, a little bit more information. And then on the back, gives us an idea of what the back of the router looks like. A little bit more information, and then this little bit of information on the side. So let's take a look inside and see what we get. So in the side box, small 1 meter network cable. This is the UK power adapter. Two antennas, and then the actual router itself. So it comes with a little bit of plastic covering on the top. Okay, we've got the D-Link brand on the top, and then on the front your signal strength indicator reset button. That there will tell you if there actually an SMS text has been sent to your actual SIM card, either 2G, 3G, or their 4G indicators, power, your LAN connector, WAN, and WPS for pairing. On the back, got the 2 ports where the antennas will attach. Then we've got 4 LAN ports, a WAN port which would connect over to your broadband, your SIM card slot, power, and then a power off button. And then a bit more information underneath. So let's go ahead, plug this in, attach the aerials, plug this in with the antennas, and then we'll have a quick look at the interface. The aerials, or the antennas should I say, sorry, just screw on. Really easy about that. Okay, let's go and take a look, power this on and take a look at the interface. So the first thing you need to do is actually connect to your D-Link router's Wi-Fi. Now the details for that are underneath the actual router itself. And then if you navigate to 192.168.0.1 and log in with the username as admin, and there is no password by default. Now on the home page you'll see that we've got the internet, and that will give you the stats and details there, your Wi-Fi and your LAN settings. And as you can see, I'm already connected to the internet and it's given me all my internet details. The next tab is our internet tab, where we can configure WAN services, wizard, failover and IPv6 settings. Then we have Wi-Fi, and there's a number of settings we can change in there. Then we have our LAN settings, advanced settings, there's an awful lot in there, and finally system settings. Now before I go, I wanted to do a quick speed test for you. Now it's not positioned in the best possible location in the house, and I could probably get better speed from this, but this is just to give you a general idea. Now I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. If this is the first time to my channel, please consider subscribing, and remember to hit that notification bell to get notified of any new videos. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you all next time.